Hello everyone, here's what's up in San Bernardino for August 12th through August 18th, 2024. Time to get groovy. On Monday, the Via Sonora Library, 525 North Mount Vernon Avenue in San Bernardino, will be hosting tie-dye tote bag workshops from 12 to 5 p.m. This is for people ages 13 plus. For more information, call 909-381-8201. Date Night at Row is coming up once again, and it's always lots of fun. This month, it's on Tuesday. The Row Branch Library is located at 108 East Marshall Boulevard in San Bernardino. This event is designed for ages 18 and up. For more information, call 909-381-8201. Step back in time at the Villas at San Bernardino, 2985 North G Street in San Bernardino. Join them for a spectacular Roaring Twenties theme evening. Indulge in the glitz and glamour of jazz age as they transform their venue into a dazzling casino. Test your luck at their in-house casino with blackjack, craps, and roulette tables. Dress up in your best 1920s attire. For more information, call 909-883-7703. Come to Glen Helen Regional Park on Thursday, 255 Glen Helen Parkway in San Bernardino, and learn the art of origami. All supplies are provided while they last. Origami is the Japanese tradition of folding square-shaped paper into various shapes. This activity is based around arts and crafts. For more information, call 909-887-7540. The Regional Committee of the Network of Promoters and Community Workers of the Inland Empire invites you to participate in the Regional Conference IE 2024 at Noah's Restaurant and Banquet Room, 863 North D Street in San Bernardino. Enjoy raffles, music, entertainment, and the recognition ceremony. For questions and information, call 510-954-9653. Surprise! The City of San Bernardino Parks and Rec has added more events to the Starlight Cinema Movies in the Park series. Bring your friends, family, and a cozy blanket to enjoy an evening of entertainment. The featured film, Kung Fu Panda 4, will be at Tom Minor Park, 6400 Palm Avenue in San Bernardino. Admission is free, activities start at 6 p.m., and the movie starts at dusk. For more information, call 909-384-5233. Like a Material Girl, the acclaimed Madonna tribute featuring Mindy Milburn performs at the Rock and Brews inside the classy Yamaval Resort and Casino. Come dance to the hits like Material Girl, Vogue, Like a Prayer, Lucky Star, plus hits from other 1980s divas. For more information, call 909-425-4838. And that's what's up in San Bernardino for August 12th through August 18th, 2024. If you have an event that you'd like us to highlight here, send an email to events@videop.com. And we'll see you next time. We'll let you know what's up San Bernardino.